You can start.
Hello everyone. It's really nice to have you all here. And I was really waiting for this day for so long, and finally you all are here today. The top five co-authors of Voice of Wonder, and you wrote such amazing stories, like full of suspense, comedy, horror, etc. So I would want to ask you a few questions to individually. So let's start with Anupurva. Are you ready, Anupurva?
Yeah.
Okay. So I would just be asking you a few questions today. So can you just introduce yourself by to us?
So this is Anupurva Shaha from Auxilium Convent School, West Bengal, Dum Dum, and I'm in class 11
Okay.
right now. So I started writing stories from class 10 when the lockdown started, and yeah, it was a very beautiful journey. So I started writing small stories and then big ones, like long ones, and then publishing them here and there. But I never won anything. So this one was a great,
Um,
like a great one. I just got a position among so many people. And also, it was great working with all of you. So, also, I would like to say that I am a neat aspirant. I am studying hard, and that's what I can't write
great.
many stories. I'm not writing many stories now, but I'm trying at writing.
Yeah, your story was amazing. And can you just tell us about your hobbies?
Apart from studies, writing stories is a very good hobby of mine. Then singing, I like to sing a bit, and drawing and all. We don't get much time to spend for hobbies. And all.
Yeah. And how was your experience working with Christina Practice?
It was amazing. It was amazing. Like I didn't have much time, but still you kept on pushing me as I don't have finished at all. And
Yeah, your exams
like it
were
was
going
very
on.
uh, but it was very good,
Thank
very good.
you. Yeah, it was wonderful having you on a Kurva.
Thank you.
Now we can ask these questions to Anshika Agarwal. Are you ready, Anshika?
Yeah,
Can you
yeah,
just switch on your camera, please? It's a video.
yeah.
Hi, Anshika. How are you?
Hello, I'm fine.
Great. So can you just tell us about yourself first?
Yeah, so this is Anshika Agarwal, studying in Delhi Public School, Newtown, standard class 10. And like, I like writing, and I've been writing since class 7. And I also compose few poems. And one of my hobbies is drawing. I love drawing and writing, like, both are simultaneously going for me.
Amazing. That's great. And what is and when did you start writing? You started writing in class 7, you told. And can you just tell us about your experience in Literature and Practice?
Yeah, so yeah, my experience was actually fantastic because like it was easy sending the stories and like everything was convenient for me as well as efficient. I got all the like promotions and everything, the manuscript, everything was sent like so fast. So that was really great.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so we can move over to Sehek Kharaj now.
Okay, so it's Tharad, not Tharad.
Oh, sorry, Kharaj. Sehek Kharaj now.
Yeah, just a second. Okay, so it's Chehek Tharad from Kolkata, West Bengal,
Can
from
you please switch on
Auxilium.
your camera, Sehek? Yeah, I
My
can see you.
camera is switched on.
Yeah, I can see you now.
Yeah,
So
okay.
can you please introduce
So,
yourself?
yeah, sure. So this is Chehek Tharad from Kolkata, West Bengal, from Auxilium Convent School, class 11. Except for studies, writing has been a very big passion. I started writing since I was in class 1. School has
Wow,
actually helped me write a lot. Like from class 1, I have been taking part in story writing, storytelling competitions, and by God's grace, I've always won on those, and that gave me so much of self confidence and self esteem that I can go on writing for more stories. Then in class 8, I was featured for many magazines in which my stories were published and brought
great.
out, especially poems. I'm not a good story writer, but then Bhavya pushed me a lot that I could go on writing a
No, you wrote
story.
a wonderful story.
Okay, so this was the first time I have written a story because I write poems much. So that's it.
Yeah, and how was your experience working with
Yeah,
Citizen
experience
Publishers?
was great actually. Yeah, I was a bit busy. I did everything very late. I was the last one to submit maybe, but actually I
Yeah,
was going through my entrepreneurships. So I had three courses together. So it was a bit hard, but you compiled really great. It was very good
thank you.
compiling with you. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.
So you told that you started writing in class one. So what pushed you for that? Like class
What
one
what
is
I
a very
couldn't hear
early age
you.
and you started writing. You just told that you started writing in class one and that's very early. So what pushed you for that? Who pushed you actually?
I always had a writing thing. Like I always used to write very good. Then one of my school teachers, Miss Anna, like pushed me a lot to write, and then I started writing in
Oh,
class one, class two, class three. When we were small, we used to have storytelling, story writing competitions, and I used to take part in all of them. That pushed me a lot. Like winning prizes at such a small age pushed me that I can go ahead
yeah,
in
it's
writing.
like
So yeah,
amazing.
that pushed me a lot, and by God's grace, today I'm here with you all.
Yeah, it was amazing talking to you, Sahek. Now we
Yeah,
can
you're
move
welcome.
over
Thank you.
to now we can move over to Sureka Anand, the second best author. So are you ready, Sureka?
Yeah, I'm ready. One.
Hi, Sureka.
Hi, Bhavya. Oh, oops, wait a minute. Can you see me? I hope
Yeah,
my
I
video
can
is switched
see.
on.
Yeah, it is. So can you
Okay.
just introduce yourself right to us?
Yeah, sure. Okay, I'm Surekha Anand from Tamil Nadu. Actually, I've been writing these things from fourth standard. I'm now actually a 12th passed out. I've just passed out in this pandemic, so I have no way. The only way to survive in those pandemic is this anthology. So I have been writing these kind of anthology from standard 4. I don't know which instigated me to write, but I've been participated in elocution, reading competition, quiz competition. But until I step in into the Voice of Wonder, my poem, my creations, my composition, everything was only in my notebook. Okay, and after Voice of Wonder, I got to recognized. So I need to thank you, Bhavya, for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much.
No. Thank you, Sureka, for being a part. You were lovely.
Thank
Okay, so
you.
how was your experience working with us?
It was great. This was my very first anthology. After that, only I
Okay.
got too many opportunities. So while writing this, to tell you frankly, I was COVID positive. That actually instigated me to write a Kinda story like that. What nearly a quarantine brought to every people who suffered from COVID.
Yeah, you wrote about adolescence. I saw.
Mm.
Okay, so now we can move over to Sonika Agarwal, the top one co-author of Voice of Wonder. And like,
Thank you.
hi Sonika.
Hi, Bhavya.
So can you introduce yourself to
Yeah,
us?
I am Sonika Agarwal. I'm 17, and currently I am basically taking a gap year after graduating high school last month. It's fun, and I wrote a story called Texan in the book Voice of Wonder, compiled by Bhavya. My hobbies, apart from writing, include reading, doing origami, and sometimes coding.
Yeah. Okay, and how did you start writing? Was it your passion?
Well, I've always loved reading, even from a young age. And like Chehek, I first started writing poems when I was younger. But
Okay.
at school, in my CBSE board, we were forced to write short stories. And I hated that at first because you had such a limited time period to think of and write a short story. And the word limit was also very narrow, but it was a challenge. And I realized that I kind of enjoyed that. So that made me realize
Great.
I liked writing. Yeah, and so that is how I began writing short stories.
Amazing. And can you tell us about the experience working with Citizen Capsules?
Yes. Well, I have a lot of half-baked stories with I'm too lazy to go back and provide a proper ending to. But working with Pixie and Pexels gave me that reason to write a story and follow that thought from the beginning to the end. And I really, really enjoyed it. You were also very professional and easy to work with. It was a lot of
Thank
fun.
you. Yeah.
Welcome.
Okay. So now we are done with all our top five co-authors, and it was really amazing talking to you all, getting to know about your experiences. And okay, so do you have any questions that I can answer? Any questions about compiling and doing stuff?